GLP stands for Excellence in Logistics. Introducing GLP Park Tours, a new logistics warehouse of 63,000 square metres. Strategically located in the centre of France near Tours, one of the largest cities in the Centre-Val de Loire and one of the top 20 cities to live in France. GLP Park Tours has autoroute connections to Tours, Paris, Bordeaux and the entire French motorway network. A strategic location in central France suitable for a wide range of users. Construction work is commencing on GLP Park Tours for completion in Q1 2024. This new warehouse has all the high-spec credentials we've come to expect from GLP. 12 metres clearance height, 2 office plots and social areas, 9 out of 10 cells equipped with solar PV panels, leading to 94 dock stores. A 10-cell warehouse, which is equivalent to more than 8 football pitches of floor space, and 256 car spaces and 10 HGV parking spaces. The cross-docking warehouse, constructed with low-carbon materials, has 4 charging rooms. The warehouse optimises natural light wherever possible, and rainwater is recycled in our grey water systems. It features a state-of-the-art net-zero carbon heating system, and we're proud that 30% of the surrounding green space has been conserved, maintaining the site's rich biodiversity. We construct with well-being as an important element and are pleased that the development is targeting a BREEAM Excellent rating. GLP Park Tours, a state-of-the-art logistics centre ready to welcome you from Q1 2024. GLP, building for tomorrow, today.